23, an application by the State Nursing Council is for before your Lordship. Your Lordship had passed an order on 14th of October. Lord, this is that where the biology and science subjects have been provided for that, Lord, midwifery courses. Where, my Lord, your Lordship were pleased to pass an order on 14th October, my Lord, based on that adhyaman. That should clarify Vishweshwari, my Lord, that the state can provide a higher, my Lord.
Test for those who appeared in the exam.
Yes, my Lord, the entrance test was held on the.
Absolutely.
My Lord, the entrance. My Lord, if your Lordship may kindly see two orders of 1410. First order is 1410 with last paragraph, my Lord. Your Lordship had observed.
There are five.
Yes, Lord, if your Lordship may just see that order.
By way of an ad interim order, we direct that if any vacant seats are available,
the entrance test, then, my Lord, on 14 November, two applications were there by them for enforcement of this order, and the State Council's application for clarification that the state can prescribe a higher norm, that is the science subjects, not the general subjects for nursing courses. And that, my Lord, Adhyaman has clarified by various judgments, including Constitution Bench, that the state can't provide something which is lower than the central council, but always can prescribe more. Where your Lordship dismissed that application for enforcement of the 14th October order. My instructions are not, unfortunately, our application, there was an order which was prayed for that we be permitted to conduct the remaining counselling. And, my Lord, since your Lordship's order was silent on 14 November, so it was mentioned twice over, and your Lordship was trying to grant us indulgence today. Now, approximately 11,000 seats are lying vacant. There is no statutory time schedule, which Indian Nursing Council fixes the schedule, which has gone in the past up to January. So what we are seeking is that the entrance test is held on the basis of science. Candidates are there. All these seats are to be filled up.
Candidates, are you suggesting the candidate, those who appeared in the exam?
In the because the procedure, entrance test and then, my Lord, counselling. Entrance
there can't be any dispute that only those who appeared in the entrance test are entitled to go.
May I, with respect, say this application after 14th of October has come to us today. We can at least put in a 2-page reply to it, my lords. Because just
no. Reply is
14th, your lordship's order was very clear. It said that there is clearly a conflict between the state rules and the central rules.
That order is there very clear.
And your lordship's directly.
We are not touching that order.
Then
you are only clarifying to the extent that we say the same would be permitted to be filled in accordance with qualifications prescribed by SWAN. So, from among the candidates who appeared in the entrance test.
May I only make one submission for your lordship's kind consideration? In that order, your lordship's categorically said, by way of an ad interim order, we direct that if any vacant seats are available, the same would be permitted to be filled in accordance with qualifications prescribed by Indian Nursing Council. What they are seeking to now do is effectively to say that not apply the Indian Nursing Council rules and apply the State Council rules. That can't be done. Because that's practically a recall of the order.
No, this is now. The entrance. There is nothing now. The list is prepared on the basis of the science subject. Others have not even been permitted to participate.
They are not allowed.
My lord, your lordships consciously use the word vacant seats. Yes. The words used are vacant seats.
It says that admissions which are already been granted before do not. Those admissions will continue.
Right.
Future admissions will be in accordance with the qualification of Indian Nursing Council.
I your lordships, why? Your lordship said so because apart from the issue of repugnancy, which is the larger issue, because of this rule being introduced, there have been large shortfall. Because you
as a college, Mr. Paul, as a college, you don't have problem. They will send you the list to admit the students.
They will admit, yes.
They will send you the list. Yes. And you admit the students.
Unless they send the list, we will admit in terms of your lordship's order with the Indian Nursing Council rules. Because that is what your lordship's order says. And the words used are any vacancy.
You can't pick up these candidates from at your level only.
I can't. I have to hear what your lordships are saying. I can't hear it with interruption.
The only thing is that you will pick up the candidates from where? You can't have your own liberty that any candidate come to you and you start telling this.
My lord, I did not even suggest that. I did not even suggest that. All that I said was I will follow the Indian Nursing Council rules as per your lordship's order.
So they will send you the list of.
Yes, my lord, I will
qualified
with the Indian
It is
Nursing.
not declared. I followed. I only 1 second. Not which I will explain. Not make your lordship clear. Lord, this issue is no more its integra that the state can prescribe a higher eligibility norm.
That we will examine, Mr.
Yes,
Singh.
Lord, it's all, Lord, utmost respect, Lord, Constitution bench has already British Advasta and subsequently modern dental. And Lord, Adhiyaman, which was the first judgment, which was with regard to indigenous subjects, Lord, has been clarified by the.
Tell us only one thing.
Yes.
Do you have a list of candidates who are willing to seek admission and those who appeared in the entrance test?
I am deeply obliged, my lord. The list is far higher, 60,000 students had
Uh,
appeared.
so-
So with all those I'm just, my lord, so that there is no confusion subsequently. My lord, this application of the council was served on them on 27th of October. On 14th November, what is being argued today was all argued and their application was rejected. That you enforce this order. Our clarification could not, my lord, they missed the one line. Now my respectful submission is this. The entrance test is held on the norm which is by the statutory rules of the state that you only those science students who are eligible who will participate in the common entrance test. The common entrance test is on that eligibility. The number of the eligible available students are far higher than the vacancies which are there. Those who did not have the eligibility, they were not even permitted to participate. The counseling will take place for the remaining seats and the names will be sent to individual colleges who are picked up by the students.
Last time, sir, because of
So, my lord, 11,000.
8,000 necessary. Every
Last submission, my lord.
May I please?
Submission. 1 second, sir. 11,000 seats in one course and 1100 something seats in the other course, which are remaining to be filled up. Sufficiently, much more than adequate number of candidates from the entrance list are available. The counseling, my lord, is there is no statutory norm like medical and dental. The Indian Nursing Council has extended it to 30th November in the past. They've extended up to January, and I'm not saying so. We'll fill it up by 30th December. We didn't want to.
The only thing is that which is the agency who will provide them the list of the candidates?
The way it happens, centralized counseling by the state, and they will send it to them, whosoever student picks up, whichever college. They know nothing will not is needed to change.
You require the students.
Yes, please.
You are only concerned that your seats should not go in waste.
That's all.
Seats should not remain unfilled.
And as per your lordship's order of 14th
Your Honor,
October,
then-
it should be as per the Indian Nursing Council, my lord.
Then we
Yeah,
get
please.
this order.
Please, my
This
lord.
order is only to allow backdoor entry in the admission.
No, my lord.
May I please, my lord?
Rightly said, your lordship rightly said, let the list come. I have no difficulty with the
That's
list.
for the obligation we are creating.
My lord, I have no difficulty with that.
My lord.
I have only one respect.
May I please, my lord, my lords, I'm appearing for Indian Nursing.
Complete my submission. My lord, can I make one submission? My lord, all
See
that
the order, you just see the
My
order.
lords, I'm appearing for Indian Nursing Council, my lords. Just one submission, my lords. The last date for admissions was 30th November, my lords. So, Indian Nursing Council has not extended that date. So, even if this is being allowed, my lords, this has to be in the.
You are colluding with them or?
No, my lord.
Standard.
I'm saying.
Because we know it's not first time we are dealing with
The
the
facts.
nursing council, plan council.
I'm just saying, my lords, peculiar
Everybody
facts.
knows their conduct.
I'm not reminding Indian Nursing Council, their orders which are up to January of a particular academic year.
My lords, I'm just saying in the peculiar facts of the case.
Let write down.
My lord,
Of
may I only
hearing
make
and
one
senior counsel for the party.
One submission if your lordship may permit, and then your
Para
lordship.
5 of the order
Para
dated
5.
14th October.
But other than that, please send us the list, we will fill it up. That's all that I'm.
Para, just a minute, but probably you will be happy with the order we propose to pass. Para 14, para 5 of the order dated 14th October 2025 is modified stroke clarified to the extent that the vacant seats available with the petitioner colleges shall be filled in from amongst the candidates possessing the qualifications prescribed by the Indian Nursing Council and who had appeared in the entrance test conducted by
very confusion हो रहा है.
The state authorities.
by the state of Madhya Pradesh. The list of such qualified candidates and the list of the candidates who appeared in the entrance test shall be forwarded to the colleges to the extent of the, to the extent the seats are lying unfilled,
They just suggest a modification. Those all students will appear in the counseling. They become the colleges. And whatever colleges are picked up, the lists are then sent according, not the entire.
Because I think they've already appeared in the
it's
council.
like,
Learn it friendly.
the colleges, the different colleges are directed to issue a notice, public notice,
ये बताओ बीएससी के मार्फत समझाना चाह रहे थे
to obtain the unfilled seats to all those candidates who appeared in the entrance test. However, if despite such public notice, all the available seats are not filled, the colleges shall be at liberty. What is the position, by the way, as of now? How many seats you have? Any idea?
Only few seats are filled up. Only a few seats have been filled up, my lords. We have the letter. We have the letter from them. See this much. Yes, sir. There are almost 8,000. This is this.
Over the seats will get
Our
filled up, there won't be any vacancy.
Sufficient candidates who appeared in the entrance test are not available.
Right.
The liberty is granted to the petitioner colleges
Right.
to seek suitable direction. For
Very grateful.
Milos may clarify this will apply only to Madhya Pradesh because otherwise this issue of cutoff date will come. This will apply only to Madhya
You
Pradesh.
extend the cutoff date because this friendly match is at your
जब अपन ने बोली तो वही
instance.
करा
That you don't understand it.
जब अपन ने बोली तो वही हुई
Unless you want to invite teachers.
Time will not be granted to the account, the state for up to 31st December.
Yes, my lord. That we are.
The nursing council shall cause no impediment against admission of the candidates who appeared in the entrance test.
Milos,
Be extended up to 31st December. Because the council will create a problem.
no, Milos, we are not going to create.
Compliance of the aforesaid order, the next date, the date for admissions is extended till 31st December 2025.
And
Milos, this will create further litigation.
One second.
अपन जो बोली तुमने साला वही
These are
हुआ
respectful submission, my lord, that this issue already stand aside, which arrangement your lordship created, it will go ahead like that. The lordship may say this is only for the present year, this arrangement is created, so that, my lord, this should not be.
It's all right, that we will solve finally, at the time finally.
Milos,
The lordships are very fairly balanced, my lord. This should take care of the interests of the colleges also.
Milos, bear with me.
Go-based.
Yes, absolutely.
मलिक
You
साहब
will not
खुश
allow
हैं
your seats to be
Absolutely.
wasted. And that-
It's our interest also, my lord.
Milos, bear with me. I'm just saying, Milos, if it can be restricted to Madhya Pradesh, otherwise lots of litigation will come and colleges will apply for further extension.
Then we be afraid of that litigation will come.
No, Milos, because high courts have already decided that we can't extend it further.
Grateful, my lord.
If litigation will come, we will deal with it.
Milos, high courts have already decided.
So we
चलो।
our state of Madhya Pradesh.
Oblige, Milos.
All right.
Oblige.
Grateful, my lord.
Now you also go ahead.
And what happens if it's all India admissions? Everybody will start claiming an extended date.
And thank you very much. Thank you. Now please don't expand the scope of these proceedings. Thank you. Next time.
My lord,
लो भाई
चला जाओ धन्यवाद मैडम धन्यवाद